Eufy does it again with its dual camera, 4K for indoor use. Let me tell you all about it. Yes, it is a wired 4K camera that you need to plug into powered USB, but it will work on Wi-Fi. It is extremely easy to set up on your phone so you can never miss a beat. And this is what it looks like. I know, looks like a little robot. Super cute, 360 tilt and pan. So of course it tilts up and down and 360 pans around itself. You're never going to miss a single angle. You can, of course, check on the nanny, check on the pets. It has AI tracking and AI recognition as well. So you can recognize pets, you can recognize vehicles and whatever have you. If it's by a window, no problem at all. The eufy app is incredible. This is so light, so easy and inconspicuous. You can literally put this anywhere and all it requires is a USB power, and then you set it up with your app on your phone. And the other nice thing is it has PTZ. What is PTZ? It's very simple. On your phone, you can actually track and make it move. So you can, with your finger, just go to the left, go to the right, and you'll see the little camera turn to the left and turn to the right. Wherever you want to point the camera, it will point the camera. And it's got two cameras. Why? One is wide angle and the other one is a zoom. You are going to get incredible pictures, incredible detail, and incredible colors. With its infrared light on it, you will never miss a face or a pet 32 feet away, even in low light conditions. We're huge fans of eufy, and I highly recommend this camera.